Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, you saw how easy it is to make rotis using the Rotimatic. If you haven't watched that video, I have given the link to the video in the description box below. Today, let's look at all of the basic parts you need to clean every time after making rotis. After all of the rotis are made, let's power up the machine. It takes around 30 minutes to cool off. While the Rotimatic cools down, let's remove the kneading parts from the machine so we can clean it. Once you turn off the machine, I recommend immediately taking out the kneading set to prevent dough from sticking, and if the dough dries out, it'll be hard to clean. First, remove the washer carefully from the dough tray, then remove the dough stirrer from the dough cup. You have to clean these three parts after using the Rotimatic. Don't forget to remove the water container from the machine. If you add salt to the water, make sure you clean the water container after every use. If not, you could dump out the water and dry the container. It's up to you, but I recommend cleaning the water container after 1 to 2 uses. After 3 years of using the Rotimatic, my suggestion is to always clean the water slot. If you leave the water stagnant, there's a higher chance of mold forming. What I do is take a high quality paper towel to soak all of the remaining water out. Last but not least, make sure you dust out any excess flour left on the Rotimatic. These are the steps you must follow every time after making rotis using the Rotimatic. You could either hand wash these 3 attachments or put it on the top shelf of your dishwasher. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for future notifications. Bye!